come with a classic. They come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might try my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She gave him.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me putting you on to this hair that I bought, also like the maintenance on it. And this is the loose deep wave. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much.
Confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe it. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's, got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
From the phone, but I love me a threesome. I'm a delete, she my little secret. You tryna dish me to blow up, I peep it. I can't respond, we just go at your pick. If I left some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig it. My shovel won't be, and I was broke, had to fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look up, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bags and I breach it. This gun ain't gon' jam, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin', but I send the hit while I chill with my children. Big in the business, the big in the office. I fuck around and found me a strat and I called up. They call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, lost Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I give her 4 burgers and 1 sports startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my car. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Today's video is going to be featuring Arabella hair. This is their 28-inch loose wave transparent lace frontal wig, and I got this in the color natural black. I would give this lace a 6 out of 10 just because it was a tad bit thick, and normally I like a thinner lace for it to give a skin-like look. The wig structure I would give a 9 out of 10 just because it definitely kept it secure. It had its combs and also it had a wig strap in the back, so I felt very secure with my wig.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty.
Normally for my nightly maintenance routine, I just go in with my She conditioner. You can use any conditioner, and I split my hair into 2 parts and did a twist from the top part of my hair all the way down to the tips, and then I would strap up my edges to make sure they don't move and the wig isn't sliding off by the night time, and as well as putting on my bonnet and going to sleep.
Something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all's over on this side. I'm thinking this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. Like guns with the aching.
As you can see, the curls came out so beautiful. I definitely love this hair curl pattern, so that's why I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 for the curl pattern. definitely gave a beach bombshell vibe. The curls look so juicy and so cute. As well, for the natural hair texture, I go in with a mixture of water and my conditioner in a spray bottle, and then I spray my hair to get the natural loose deep wave vibe. And as you can see, it looks so beautiful, but I will say it did dry a bit quick, so it was kind of hard to keep it moist. I do give the shedding a 6 out of 10 just because it is curly hair, it is going to shed. However, it did kind of shed a little bit more than normal. Overall, I do give this a 7.5 out of 10. I did deduct points because of the lace and as well as the shedding, but I will say you get what you pay for, and this is a really good hair for the price. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.